Bangkok, Thailand, the Khlong Boats. Bangkok's Khlong Boat boat service provides a swift alternative to the city's often congested roads. Navigating through narrow canals or klongs, these boats connect commuters to various parts of the city, bypassing traffic and offering a glimpse into Bangkok's traditional waterways. The service is popular among locals for its efficiency and affordability, making it an integral part of the city's transport network. The boats operate along an 18-kilometer route with multiple stops that link to other forms of public transportation, such as the BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway. This interconnectivity enhances mobility across Bangkok, allowing you to traverse the city with ease. The open-air design of the boats provides a refreshing breeze, and the journey offers unique views of urban life along the canals, from traditional wooden houses to bustling markets. While the boats can become crowded during peak hours, their frequency ensures that waiting times are minimal. The service operates daily from early morning until late evening, accommodating the schedules of both workers and tourists. The Khlong boats not only alleviate road congestion, but also preserve a mode of transport deeply rooted in Bangkok's history, maintaining a connection to the city's cultural heritage. Experiencing Bangkok via the Khlong boats offers a different perspective of the city, away from the skyscrapers and modern infrastructure. The rhythmic motion of the boat, the sounds of water lapping against the sides, and the vibrant scenes along the canals create an immersive journey. In Bangkok, the Khlong boats exemplify how traditional transportation methods can adapt and thrive in a modern metropolis.